the batch file is very good. What would make it nearly perfect, in my opinion, is if we can detect the CPU type and be able to automatically download and install the updates for a 32-bit system as well, using the same batch file. Let's give it a shot. Back in the batch file, we can add some language here about detecting the CPU type, so the user will be aware of what's happening. The actual mechanism that will do the work for us is an if statement, using the variable processor architecture. Spelled out, what we are asking the batch file to do is check the CPU type. If it is AMD 64, go to the label 64-bit. If the CPU type is anything else, it continues to the next line, which is echo 32-bit CPU found, and proceed with downloading and installing the 32-bit version of all the updates. Now to test the updated batch file on a 32-bit system to see what happens.